Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We have here the Infinix XWatch H4, and on this video we are going to connect it with our smartphone, an Android smartphone. So we'll pair it with its support app. So this smartwatch is using the My Health app available on Android and iOS platform. So if you have the XWatch H4 and you are planning to pair it with your smartphone or to connect it with your smartphone, watch this video. And again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Alright, so let's begin and pair our Infinix XWatch H4 with our Android smartphone. The QR code for the wearable is available on the user manual. It's also available here. As you can see, My Health app. I think it is also available here in the smartwatch. Let's see. We have the settings, display, the phone, about, and we have here the QR code. Scan the code to download the app and bind the watch. In our case, we already know the name of the application, so we'll just search it on the Google Play Store. So we already have it here. As you can see, My Health. So 4.4. It has a very good rating with 100 million plus downloads. So here are the details about the application. So it is a popular application, over 100 million plus downloads. We have here the supported smartwatches, Techno and Infinix model, as well as itel. Okay, so let's proceed in installing the My Health app. So tap on install. Let's wait for it to complete its download, and it will automatically install it in our Android smartphone. So let's wait. So 88%, and we have here 100%. It's now installing, and it's already installed. So let's open the application. Then we have here welcome. So select welcome, and we have agreement for the user and privacy policy. Let's agree to it. So we have here some introduction. We're not going to read it anymore. We'll just skip. Complete your profile. Let's skip this one. So we will set this when we are already paired. So this is optional. You can set this when you are connected already. Skip. Got it. And we have here the dashboard. We have a permission here. If you want to record your activity, allow the permission. If you want to receive notifications, allow the permissions. And we have here the dashboard of the My Health app. So we have health, workouts, devices, and me. To pair your smartwatch, tap on devices. Then select add. So as you can see here, it is asking to register or to log in. So select log in. So in our case, we will use our email. So I will complete this first. Then we'll get back to pairing our smartwatch once we are registered or log into our account. So we have here our one-time passcode. So log in and register. Verifying account, and we are logged in. So we have here another permission. So while only this time. Then allow. So please turn on Bluetooth. Open. Let's activate our Bluetooth connectivity. Allow. Enabling. Wait for it. And it's already activated. And as you can see, we do have here our Infinix XWatch H4. Is it our smartwatch? Let's make it sure. Settings, system, or about. Version, yes, it is our smartwatch. As you can see, the same address. Tap on the Infinix XWatch H4. It's now connecting. And we are connected. Okay, are we connected? Yes, we do have the battery life here. Let's see. Again, pair. Let's check. Search wearable device, and we have it here. We are paired successfully with our Infinix XWatch H4. So let's double check. Push notifications. Turn on. Let's activate the notification access for our My Health. Allow. Go back. Then activate some of the apps here. Instagram, Facebook, and Messenger. Go back. You have the Bluetooth calling. Let's see if there are settings. So set up Bluetooth calling. So here are some instructions. We'll not proceed with this one. Instead, we'll add our contacts. Open contacts. Allow. Select the number. Import to watch. Already synchronized. Let's see. Phone call. Contacts, and we have the number here. Go back. We have the smart alarm, camera control, other settings. Let's see. We have raise to wake activated. Awake time. Let's make it 20 seconds. All day heart rate monitoring. No. Time format. Switch to 12-hour system time. Okay, so everything is okay here. SMS quick reply, can also set it here. Just allow the permissions. Okay, as you can see, you can edit the 3 messages here. Call notifications, activate, allow. We can manage phone calls. We will allow call notifications. So that's it for the pairing of our Infinix XWatch H4 on our Android smartphone. Very easy to connect, and so far it is stable. Everything is smooth when it comes to pairing with the My Health app on Android on our Android smartphone. Again, if you have any questions regarding the setup, drop a comment below, and of course, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Bye.